Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly let's open Contacts application, then tap on these dots here, go to Settings, and then select Import Export. Then select Import from SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, and then tap Import, then tap Phone. And after that, these contacts will appear on your device. So as you can see here, I have like one copy of it on SIM card and another one on device. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.